Have you found yourself pondering the recent climate shifts, with scorching heat, melting glaciers, rising sea levels, and threats to wildlife becoming increasingly noticeable? The world stands at a pivotal juncture, grappling with an unprecedented challenge that transcends borders and ideologies: climate change. While much is discussed about the current state of the planet's temperature, an often overlooked aspect is the historical patterns of temperature change. This prompts a fundamental question: are we truly experiencing the hottest temperatures ever recorded, or is there a more nuanced story to explore? Scientists have asserted that Earth's temperature has been on the rise for the past century, but how did they arrive at this conclusion? Given that scientists are far from immortal and couldn't have witnessed temperature patterns since the era of the dinosaurs, their methodology involves studying temperature patterns from ancient times. This involves considering broader patterns and trends, enabling a more informed discussion about the current state of global warming. Now, how can ordinary individuals like us understand the rhythmic patterns of Earth's temperature? The answer lies in exploring frozen archives, particularly gigantic ice cores. The apparent paradox of ice indicating scorching heat can be explained through the delicate process of snowflake accumulation. As these snowflakes settle, they capture minute air bubbles within their powdery clasp. Once trapped in ice, these air bubbles become enigmatic time capsules, preserving the atmospheric composition of their genesis. Scientists meticulously study these icy cores, along with frozen glaciers and polar ice sheets. The defrosting process in laboratories unleashes ancient secrets, as phantom gases trapped within reveal the history of the time when the snow fell. Through precise analysis of gas ratios, scientists reconstruct past temperatures, with each core acting as a testament to Earth's thermal history, an additional note in the symphony of the past. However, the oldest glaciers are limited to 1 million years or so. To gain insights into global temperature trends extending beyond this time frame, scientists turn to an unexpected solution: a tiny single-celled organism known as Foraminifera. These organisms produce shells around themselves, and these shells are slightly porous. Employing a process similar to the one used for the ice cores, scientists release air trapped in the shells of deceased Foraminifera, working out global temperatures based on this information. The data collected from Foraminifera suggests that Earth's temperature has undergone significant changes over the last 500 million years. Notably, temperatures at times averaged 14 degrees Celsius hotter than today, and at other times about -5 degrees Celsius lower. Thus, we're not experiencing the highest temperatures in Earth's history, but rather part of a dynamic continuum of climatic fluctuations. The orchestration of Earth's temperature fluctuations reveals a complex tapestry woven from both natural and anthropogenic threads. As scientists continue unraveling the details of this narrative, several prominent contributors have emerged. The blossoming of new life forms, the dynamic dance of tectonic plates, and the potential shock of celestial impacts all play crucial roles in nature's majestic thermal rhythm. However, a new conductor has taken the stage in recent centuries: the human race. Since 1850, our interactions with the atmosphere have undergone a dramatic shift. The Industrial Revolution beginning in 1760 unleashed a cascade of greenhouse gases, unwanted byproducts of our industries and agriculture. This disruption contrasts sharply with the relatively harmonious coexistence of the preceding 10,000 years. These potent forces, resistant to temperature changes, have set in motion a potentially disastrous sequence of events that could upset the delicate balance of our planet, jeopardizing numerous species with the threat of extinction. As we delve deeper into this intricate dance, it becomes imperative to acknowledge our role in shaping the narrative. The climatic symphony is not solely a natural composition, it's a collaborative effort where humanity is both the player and the audience. Reflecting on the collective responsibility we bear, we must strive for sustainable practices to harmonize with nature rather than disrupt its delicate balance. This comprehensive exploration encapsulates the phenomenon of climate change, shedding light on scientists' meticulous research into the ancient symphony of Earth's temperatures. It prompts us to ponder our role in this intricate dance and reflect on the collective responsibility we bear. Share your thoughts on the climate tapestry, from ice sheets to Foraminifera to the entire human race. Stay tuned for more information-packed videos as we continue unraveling the mysteries of our planet's past, present, and future.